Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying 6th chapter linear inequalities, and we are trying to solve some linear inequalities. We are trying to get the solutions of linear inequalities. Third solved example in textbook is solve 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. So here we are not given whether x is an integer or x is a natural number or x is a real number. Please note, every natural number is an integer, every integer is a real number. So we are always going to consider, if it is not mentioned, that x is a real number. So let us see how it can be solved. Now we are given, the question is 4x plus 3 is less than 6x plus 7. So here, in order to eliminate, we will first eliminate 3. We have already studied, if we add or subtract same number from both sides, inequality remains same. So this will be subtracting 3 from both sides. Subtracting 3 from both sides. We will get 4x plus 3 minus 3 is less than 6x plus 7 minus 3. So this becomes, please note, 3 minus 3 is 0, 7 minus 3 is 4. So you will get 4x is less than 6x plus 4. Now, see, x is a real number, we have already studied, and if we subtract 6x from this side, or if you want to bring to this side, it will become negative, that is 6x is subtracted from both sides. If you subtract 6x from both sides, then also inequality remains same. So next step is subtracting 6x from both sides, so we will get 4x minus 6x is less than 6x minus 6x plus 4. Please note, 6x minus 6x will get eliminated. This will be 0, and we will get here negative 2x is less than 4. Now watch carefully. Here we have got negative 2. So if we divide by negative, if we are dividing or if you are multiplying the inequality by a negative number, then inequality sign is reversed. So if you divide both sides by negative 2. So if you divide by negative number, then this will be this inequality sign will be reversed. That is, this was less than, it will become greater than 4 upon minus 2. So please note, this negative 2 will get eliminated. We will get x is greater than negative 2. X is greater than negative 2 and it has all the values of real numbers. So it means negative 2 is smaller than x. Negative 2 is smaller than x. So x will have all the values. Please note, x is greater than negative 2, it means x is not equal to negative 2. So x will have all the values. The solution set is negative 2 not included. Please try to understand. X is greater than negative 2 means it is not equal to negative 2. So we are writing here open bracket, open bracket. We have already studied in first chapter negative. If you are writing open bracket, it means this negative 2 is not included. And this will go on up to very large number to certain defined number. Since this is undefined number which we can write, we are excluding it by making a round bracket. So the solution set is open bracket negative 2 to infinity. Dear friends, next example is example number 4. Solve 5 minus 2x upon 3 is less than equal to, please note, here it is lacking inequality, x upon 6 minus 5. Let us see how it can be solved. So the question is 5 minus 2x upon 3 is less than equal to x upon 6 minus 5. So we will try to eliminate. We can eliminate this 5, we can eliminate the denominator as well. We will try to eliminate denominator first. So in order to eliminate denominator, please note this is multiple of 3. So I will take this 6, multiply both sides by 6, multiply both sides of equation, both sides of inequality, both sides of inequality by 6. Please note, here it is a positive integer. So if it is a positive integer, inequality remains same. So you will get 6 multiplied by 5 minus 2x upon 3, left hand side, is less than equal to 6 multiplied by x upon 6 minus 5. So this 3 is common denominator to both, so it will get 2 multiplied by 5 minus 2x is less than equal to. Now when you multiply inside, you will get 6. This 6 will get eliminated with this first term. So you will get x minus 6 5s are 30. So you will get something like this. 10 minus 4x is less than equal to x minus 30. Now let us eliminate 10 from this side. So to eliminate 10, subtract 10 from both sides. Subtract 10 from both sides. You will get 10 minus 10 minus 4x is less than equal to x minus 30 minus 10. See, we have subtracted 10 from both sides. So 10 minus 10 will become 0. You will get negative 4x is less than equal to x minus 40. Now we need to eliminate this x. We are keeping x this side and eliminating, keeping x term to left hand side and constant to the right hand side. So to eliminate x, we subtract x from both sides. Subtract x from both sides. X from both sides. X is a real number. If you are subtracting a real number from both sides, inequality remains same. So you will get minus 4x minus x is less than equal to x minus 40. So this will be minus 5x is less than equal to negative 40. Now watch carefully. We have got negative 5x less than equal to negative 40. If you want to find the value of x, we need to eliminate negative 5. So divide both sides of inequality by negative 5. Divide both sides by negative 5. Now watch carefully. Since it is a negative integer, if we are using a negative integer to both sides, its inequality sign gets reversed. Here it is less than equal to, so it will become greater than equal to. We will get negative 5x upon negative 5 is greater than equal to negative 40 upon negative 5. So this is x is greater than equal to 5 8s are 40. Means we have got 8 is less than equal to x. So x is always greater than equal to 8. Means solution set will have all the real numbers. Please note x is equal to 8. So from 8 to all the numbers which are more than 8. It will include all real numbers. Means it will include rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. So the solution set is it will have all the real numbers greater than equal to 8. It means the solution set of x is always greater than 8. So you will get 8. Please understand this square bracket means 8 is included. X can be equal to 8 to a very large number but a defined number. We can't write defined number, we can write undefined number, so we are writing undefined number excluded. Please try to understand this round bracket. Round bracket means this undefined number is not included. So the solution set is close bracket 8 open bracket infinity.